Good day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is February 10, 2023. This is the S&P price update. As you can see here on the daily chart, it's bounced off this key resistance area we drew last time, and it's still making further declines. The market took a bit of a dump last night and today, so we're going to see more global markets taking more of a hit, I'd suggest. There's some key on their key resistance areas for all those respectively. So this is the S&P, but very similar story for the German DAX, the French CAC, the British FTSE, and even the ASX Aussie market. Pretty much every market is going to take a hit in the coming days, I'd suggest. On the CCI 1500, the CCI itself has bounced off its moving average, and on the daily chart it's punched through, on the hourly chart it's punched through its moving average as well, so that's a sign of weakness. It may well come back towards this diagonal sloping trend line, which we drew some time ago. So even though it's broken above there, it may well come back and rest on that diagonal trend line in the very least. So just be mindful of that. If you haven't already entered long, I would suggest keep away from long positions at the moment until we see more of a bullish momentum, especially on the hourly chart moving upwards. Now the 4-hour chart is showing strong uptick at the moment, but again, that's probably going to come and retrace back and come towards its moving average as well, I'd suggest. So again, avoid taking long positions for the moment until we see more of a move on the hourly at least, but especially if the CCI breaks up through its moving average, that's probably a very good sign of going more long positions as well. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends. If the stock price goes against you, don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and if you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long, so that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.